Oh, hello guys, and welcome back to the Doc My Car channel. Alright guys, so there you go. That's how the engine sounds. And it doesn't leak any engine oil, any coolant or anything like that. So it's basically a very, very nice vehicle. Going to the back of the vehicle, as you can see. It's a pretty neat vehicle. Alright guys, this is the first drive in the BMW. Just going to go for a quick drive and just give you a rundown of what the thoughts on my vehicle are. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's an absolutely perfect vehicle. It takes off pretty fast. It is really, really nice to drive. And I've had it for the better part of 18 months. And I've made the vehicle what the vehicle is today. I've maintained it quite well, and as you can see, the proof of the pudding, it drives pretty nice and it is pretty powerful as well. So I'm only going to go for a quick drive and then back. And as you can see, it's really, really nice and smooth. Now, I did not need to do all this maintenance in the car and make it the car it is today by putting Bridgestone Potenza tires on it, but I don't like to cut corners. So there you go guys. So now I'm going to take a U-turn right now. As you can see, it takes a perfect U-turn. Yeah, and this is the N52 engine guys. So it's the first generation of the N52 engine, which is also the N52B30 engine. And as I can say, this is a bulletproof engine, guys. If you were going to buy a car like this, I would definitely suggest that you do buy one of this. Now, this has got the ZF6 transmission gearbox. So this is one of the most highly sought after and most reliable transmission that you can get in the BMW E90. Now, the 3 Series comes in the 320, 323, 325, 328, 330i and the twin turbo 335i. Now, if you want proper reliability and power, then I would recommend that you get the naturally aspirated BMW 330i N52B30 engine. Now, being the first generation with the silver top cover, it has got the DISA valves, which means that it gives you more torque at lower end speeds. And in city driving, that's probably what you need. Now, I do drive this car like a grandma. Now, what would you guys like to be seen done with this vehicle? Do you want me to flip the car? Do you want me to modify the car, or what? Or should I sell it and get a broken BMW and then get that one done? Alright guys, so as you can see, the car drives perfectly well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video very shortly so that you guys can actually see how the vehicle is like, and then we'll go from there. I'll see you back once I'm back from the test drive. Alright guys, so I hope you have enjoyed that little video that I put together for you guys. So this is a car reveal video as to how much it cost me. If you guys like things like this, consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up button. That certainly does help me out. And also I do a lot of car how-to DIY videos. So I've got videos on how I've maintained this vehicle as well. So make sure to check those out, and I'll see you in the next one.